25 pounds after surgery.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body.
Good morning, y'all. Today is January 6th. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm trying to be more consistent, so here we go. We're at the gym now. It is 11:55, but we're here. It doesn't really matter what time we're here. I don't know if this old guy's waiting me out, but he just pulled up as well, so you can wait. But yeah, we're here at the gym. Y'all, on my camera, it has a little square on this eye. It's freaking me out. Anyway, yeah, we're at the gym. I think today is going to be lower body leg day, so let's get it over with. I didn't even bring a water. I'm very unprepared. I don't know where my Beats headphones are, so I'm using some AirPods. I literally hate using AirPods, but it is what it is, child. But let's go get this over with because I'm really not in the mood. I think I'm going to do like 30 minutes lower body, like weight training, and then 30 minutes cardio, I think. That's what I normally like to do. So let's go get her done so we can go back home and relax.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark purple. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark.
Hey y'all, it is the next day. I didn't even finish vlogging yesterday because like I genuinely didn't do anything, so there was no point in me even recording a video. But I just left the gym looking real haggard and crazy. It was a good workout. Today was back day. I don't think I filmed anything in there, maybe me in the locker room, and that I actually went, but child, my gym has like a no recording policy, which is stupid, super stupid. But they have, y'all, I need my nails done so bad. You know when they start getting caught in your nail, and your hair. Jeez, I need a nap. But yeah, it's like I don't really feel comfortable like recording like everything. Like I do some stuff when I'm like by myself, but yeah, I did that. I'm about to go inside, drink a protein shake, and probably meal prep. I need to go ahead and meal prep my stuff. I don't know if I said it already. I have a new mic, so hopefully the audio is a little bit better than the last video, because the last video was a little wonky, the sound. But yeah, my lashes look absolutely insane. But yeah, let's go inside, make this meal prep, and drink the protein shake. I also want to make, I saw that they have, someone made deviled eggs in the air fryer.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often. since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday. I'm about to take my daughter to therapy, and then it is also lash day. Yeah, your girl looks insane. I accidentally ripped my nail off. Not accidentally. I ripped it off because I was doing her hair. And you know when the hair gets under the nail, it's done for. I did that, and it actually ripped my real nail off. So, yeah, today is lash day, and we're about to go to therapy. And I'll see you guys later.
Say my name, those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me and I forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through new whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me spit, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know.
Alright, y'all, before my camera dies, I'm about to go get my lashes done. I might have to film on my phone from right now because I literally have 0 minutes left on storage. And I did not bring another SD card, but let's go in. Good afternoon, y'all. It is Friday, the end of the week. I did not show you my lashes when I got them done because it was way too dark outside. It wasn't even gonna make sense to do it, but they're done. They look perfect. My skin is pissing me off, but they look perfect. We're about to go to the grocery store because it's gonna snow tonight, and you know how people act with the snow, especially if you're in North Carolina. People don't know how to act. So we're gonna go to the grocery store, just get some stuff so I don't have to fight with these people on this weekend. So yeah, this shirt I just got it from Skims. I love her. And I just hit a new goal, weight loss wise. I'm down a total of 16 pounds, but y'all, grandma gained 25 pounds after surgery. I think people think, oh, surgery just changes your life. Yeah, it changes your life to make you gain weight. Yeah, absolutely. Like, I gained 25 pounds. Yeah, so now I'm down 16. I can't. So, yeah, where's next? But yeah, let's go to the grocery store. I am sick, so if this is after today, after this grocery store run, that's all you see of me. Love you so much, but I'm sick. I don't know if it's sinuses or what, but y'all, I feel bad. So let's do this grocery store and get back home. Yeah, let's get into it.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.